What is going on, guys? So I have been quietly making money with crypto airdrops for over a year now, and I decided it is time to share my entire strategy with you. Today we are diving deep into how to earn free crypto with airdrops in 2025. I have been doing this for months now, and I want to share everything I know with you. First, let me explain what crypto airdrops actually are. An airdrop is when a cryptocurrency project gives away free tokens to users. They do this to promote their platform and attract new users. The beautiful thing is you do not need to invest any money. You just complete simple tasks and earn tokens. But here is the thing that most people get wrong. Now let me show you exactly how I use MetaMask to claim airdrops on Base. The first thing you need to do is download MetaMask from the official website or app store. It is completely free. Once you have your wallet set up, you will get a wallet address. This is like your bank account number for crypto. Step 1 is to find legitimate airdrops. I use dedicated airdrop tracking websites to find new projects. Always look for projects with real websites, active social media, and clear white papers. Never trust airdrops that ask you to send crypto first. Step 2 is to connect your MetaMask wallet to the airdrop platform. This is safe as long as you are on the official website. You just click Connect Wallet and approve the connection. Step 3 is to complete the required tasks. These usually include following on Twitter, joining Telegram, and sometimes testing the platform. Each completed task earns you points or tokens. The pro tip that most people miss is to join airdrops as early as possible. Early participants usually get more tokens because the supply is larger before other users join. I set alerts for new project launches so I can join within the first few hours. Another strategy is to use multiple wallets. You can create several MetaMask wallets and join the same airdrop multiple times. This multiplies your earnings without any extra effort. Now let me talk about avoiding scams. If an airdrop asks you to send crypto to receive crypto, it is 100% a scam. Legitimate airdrops never require payment. Also, be careful of fake websites that look like real projects. Always double-check the URL before connecting your wallet. Let me share my real results. Using these strategies on Base, I have earned over $120 in the past 5 days alone. My biggest single withdrawal was $250. I transfer everything directly to my bank through a crypto exchange. The key is consistency. I spend about 15 to 20 minutes per day checking new airdrops and completing tasks. That is it. The rest happens automatically as the tokens accumulate in my wallet. Alright guys, that is everything. The link to get started is right in the description below. It is completely free, takes about 2 minutes to set up, and you can start claiming tokens today. I check this platform every single day and it has never let me down. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Peace.